हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, बी स्कॉलर या चॅनलमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पूर्व उच्च प्राथमिक शिष्यवृत्ती परीक्षा इयत्ता 5वीचा 2021चा प्रश्नपत्रिका आपण सोडवणार आहोत. त्यामधील मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पेपर क्रमांक 2 थर्ड लँग्वेज आणि इंटेलिजन्स टेस्ट सोडवला होता. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पेपर फर्स्ट लँग्वेज अँड मॅथमॅटिक्स हे आपण सोडवणार आहोत. आपले मीडियम आहे इंग्लिश. चला तर मग सोडवूया. Section first English. First question, which one is not a compound word? Choose from the options. तर त्याचा आन्सर आहे फर्स्ट. Instruction for question number 2 and 3. Read the letter and answer the questions below selecting from the alternatives. What should be there below the sender's address? Option 3, date. What must be written in blank space above the XYZ? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 4, yours लवंगी. Instruction for question number 4 and 5. Read the poem well and answer the questions choosing the correct option. Who is the speaker in the poem? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 2, mother. What time is being described in the poem? The time is night. How many articles are there in the given sentence? The tiger is a wild animal. इथं आर्टिकल्स आहेत 2, ऑप्शन 4. Find the correct WH question to get underlined part as answer. Mary went to America. त्याचा आन्सर आहे Where did Mary go? ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. Study the diagram and answer the question choosing from the options. What is the percentage of children who like swimming? याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 3. Instruction for question number 9, 10 and 11. Read the autobiography and answer the questions selecting the correct option. Complete choosing the correct option. The lines above are from an autobiography of a river. Option 4. Which of the sentences below cannot be added to this autobiography? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 3, I fly in the sky above the earth. Whom does the river give company to? Boatman. Identify the correct cardinal number for 33. ऑप्शन आहे फर्स्ट. Choose the correct suffix of management. त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 2, management. Find the word opposite in meaning to the word given. Bless. Blessचं काय येईल? Curse. ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. Choose the pair which does not indicate related words. त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 3, हॉकी बेल्स. Pick out the correct alternative from the given alternatives in place of a question mark. Option 4, examination. Fill in the blank with the suitable collective noun. He went into the field and saw a herd of cattle. Option first. Which road sign does not match its description? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 3. Instruction for question number 19 to 21. Read the passage carefully and choose the correct answers from the option given. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal stands on quadrangle platform. Shah Jahan was the grandson of Akbar. Find the number of pronouns in the following sentence. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. यामध्ये pronouns आहेत 3, ऑप्शन 3. Insert the appropriate preposition. They are monstrous beasts, dash bodies like bear and heads like tigers. त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 2. Identify the correct option for the words given in the brackets to fill the blank. Rose is one of the most beautiful flowers in the garden. What punctuation mark will you put at the end of the sentence below? They showed arrows on the shoulders of Athens, didn't they? इथे क्वेश्चन मार्क येईल ऑप्शन 3. सेक्शन सेकंड मॅथमॅटिक्स. हाऊ मेनी टाइम्स आर द नंबर ऑफ एजेस ऑफ क्युबॉइड टू द नंबर ऑफ सर्फेसेस ऑफ क्युबॉइड? त्याचा आन्सर आहे फर्स्ट, डबल. इफ नाना पाटील्स फार्म हाऊस देर आर 300 sacks of grains, out of which 35% sacks of wheat, 20% sacks of jowar, 15% sacks of tur dal, and remaining are the sacks of soybeans. Find the number of soybean sacks at the farmhouse. The answer आहे 90, ऑप्शन 4. Find the length of wire required to fence 3 times 2 sides of the square shaped ground having area 1/4 square meter. त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 3 72. In the month of May, 2.25 lakhs tourists visited Mahabaleshwar and 3/4 lakhs visited Ajanta Verul caves. How many more tourists visited Mahabaleshwar than Ajanta Verul caves? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 4. 552 minutes is equal to 9 hours 12 minutes. Option 3. 2400 papers is equal to dash dash ream papers. तर त्याचा आन्सर आहे 5 ream paper. Ramu purchased 45 liter milk with the rate Rs 35 per liter. He sold all the milk with profit rupees 315. Find the selling price of milk per liter. त्याचा आन्सर आहे रुपीज 42. A wire measuring 15 meter 50 centimeter was divided equally into the 10 parts. What is the length of each part? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. आकाश purchased a cycle for Rs rupees 3250 and sold it for Rs 2375. After a year, did he make profit or loss and how much? तर त्याला लॉस होणार आहे तो 875 रुपीज. इफ डिवायझर 105, कोशंट 4250, रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू 75, देन डिविडंट इज इक्वल टू, त्याचा ऑप्शन आहे ऑप्शन सेकंड. व्हॉट विल बी द कॉस्ट ऑफ द क्लॉथ परचेस्ड ॲट द रेट ऑफ ₹52 पर मीटर फॉर 25 स्टुडंट्स ईच रिक्वायरिंग 1.5 मीटर. त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन फर्स्ट 1950. सॉल्व. हे सॉल्व केल्यानंतर आपल्याला आन्सर मिळणार 11/4. Kerala Express starts at 4:10 in morning from Nagpur and reaches Thiruvananthapuram at 14:15 the next day. How much time does it take to travel from Nagpur to Thiruvananthapuram? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन फर्स्ट 34 hours 5 minutes. In Saraswati Vidyalaya, 24 packets of milk having each 500 ml of milk was bought and was heated. It was distributed equally among 60 students. 5 out of how much milliliter of milk was given to each student? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 3 200 ml. How will you write 500 in Roman numerals? त्याचा आन्सर ऑप्शन 3 D. What is the place value of 4 in 10.345? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 4. Which digit will be in the box? ह्या डिजिटमध्ये कोणतं डिजिट येणार आहे? तर ऑप्शन 2 3. If the lengths of the sides of an angle are increased, then how does it affect the measure of that angle? त्याचा आन्सर आहे measure of angle remains the same. आता हे सॉल्व केल्यानंतर आपल्याला आन्सर मिळणार आहे 12. Write the number in figures. 8,80,808. त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 4. Length of a radius of a circle is 2.5 cm and length of a chord of the circle is 3 cm. What is the length of the longest chord of the circle in the same? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 2 5. How many composite numbers lie between 1 to 100? त्याचा आन्सर आहे 74. What type of angles will be formed in two lines are perpendicular to each other? तर तिथं तयार होणार आहे राईट अँगल. If the numbers of written in descending order, then what will be the sum of the first and third number is in the arrangement? आता हे 4 नंबर्स दिलेत त्यापैकी यांचा फर्स्ट आणि थर्ड नंबरचं आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे सम. त्याचा आन्सर आहे फर्स्ट. इफ द सर्कम्फरन्स ऑफ सर्कल शेप्ड गार्डन इन 88 मीटर, स्वरा टेक्स 5 राउंड्स ऑफ द गार्डन डेली, देन हाऊ मच डिस्टन्स डज शी कवर इन अ वीक? तर त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 3 3.08 किलोमीटर. बाय हाऊ मच इज द सम ऑफ बिगेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर and biggest 2 digit number is greater than the smallest 3 digit number? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 2. Pradeep bought a mobile for ₹22,500 and sold the same for ₹19,870. How much was his loss? His loss 2,630. याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 4 8. Swarada deposited rupees 25,000 in a bank of a rate of 8 per century per annum for 6 years. How much interest will she receive after 6 years? तर त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन फर्स्ट 12,000. If the fractions 7/9, 5/9, 2/9 and 8/9 are arranged in the ascending order, then what will be the sum of first and third fraction in the arrangement? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन फर्स्ट 1. While writing the number 17 lakhs and 7 in figures, Ishwari wrote 1 0 less between 2 sevens. Then by how much is the number that Ishwari wrote is more or less than the given number? त्याचा आन्सर आहे less by 63 lakh. Which is the biggest fraction among the following? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. Which digits will be there x, y and z respectively? त्याचा आन्सर आहे 4. In transaction, the cost of price rupees 3,280 and the selling price of Rs 3,470. Find out whether the transaction had profit or loss by how much. Answer is option 3, profit 190. Which of following diagram represents the fraction of 12 by 60? That's answer is option 2. Find the alternative which does not fall in the group. त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 3. Roshni started her studies at 11:30 in the morning and finished at 1:45. For how much time did she study? त्याचा आन्सर आहे 2 hours 15 minutes. What is the difference between the biggest 3-digit even number and the biggest 2-digit prime number? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 2, 901. One of the Jilla Parishad schools have 60% girls out of 120 and private secondary school of the same village has 55% girls out of 200. Find out the total number of girls in that village going to school. So option 3, 182. What number should be subtracted from 6 and 3/4 thousand to get the biggest 2-digit number? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 2, 6651. Julie collected rupees 10 daily in her money bank from 12th May to 26th June. Also, she added rupees 100 given by her uncle and rupees 240 given by her father to buy a cake for her birthday. She donated to the total amount of Chief Minister Relief Fund. How much money did she donate to Chief Minister Relief Fund? तर त्याचा आन्सर आहे 800 rupees. Jivan went to bank with 2 notes of each rupees 50, rupees 100 and rupees 500. He asked for notes of rupees 20 in return. How many notes of rupees 20 will he receive? तर त्याचा आन्सर आहे 65. Find such a number which when multiplied by itself the product of we get is equal to the product of the all divisors of 27. त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन 2, 27. सॉल्व हे सॉल्व केल्यानंतर त्याचा आन्सर मिळणार आहे आपल्याला 39. Dhanesh bought 1 1/4 meter of cloth for pants, 1 3/4 meter of cloth of for shirt. How much meter of cloth did he buy? त्याचा आन्सर आहे 3 meter, ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. Soham was born on 15th June 2011, which was Thursday. Which was the day on his 5th birthday? Option 2. Find the percentage of shaded portion in the following diagram. त्याचं percentage आहे 25%. Side of an equilateral triangle is 10 cm. A square of perimeter same as to the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is drawn. What will be the side of the square? तर त्याचा आन्सर असेल 7.5 cm. Questions 74 and 75. Answer the following questions with the pictograph given below. One picture is equal to 25 students. Types of game and number of students. How many times are kabaddi players to the basketball players? त्याचा आन्सर आहे 3 times, option 2. By how much is number of cricket players and basketball players less than number of football players and kabaddi players? त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन फर्स्ट 75. अशा प्रकारे आपण इंग्लिश मीडियमची इयत्ता 5वीच्या स्कॉलरशिप परीक्षेतील आपण पेपर क्रमांक फर्स्ट सोडवलेला आहे.